How to make apple toppers. This is a simple and delicious healthy snack and good for practicing fine motor skills. You'll need soft cheese, 2 apples, honey and coloured sprinkles. You'll also need a chopping board, a sharp knife, a peeler and a small biscuit cutter, or here I'm using the nozzle from a piping bag. First, mix the soft cheese with the honey and set aside. Next, peel the apples. This is probably a job for the grown-ups, but your child might enjoy exploring the apple peel. Another job for the grown-ups, slice each apple through the core into 5 or 6 rings, about 1 centimetre thick. And now the kids can get involved again. Use the biscuit cutter to stamp out a circle from the middle of each slice. Don't worry if some get broken, you can still use them. Pat the slices dry using kitchen paper. They should be as dry as possible to help the toppings stick. And next, spread the sweetened soft cheese over the slices. When they're all done, put them on a tray or a baking tray, ready for the sprinkles. Now put some sprinkles into a little jug or a dish and scatter them over the slices until they're coated evenly. And now they're ready to serve. Pop them on a plate and tuck in. Healthy and delicious. Here's a list of the ingredients with the amounts you need. You can try different toppings like peanut butter if you like, whatever your child might enjoy.